I just heard Dale Jr. drive off here to start his qualifying run. And people say, well, you know, the driver's even. What can the driver do? One thing we've learned through the years is we used to have transmissions in the car. Now you're kind of locked into what you got. But we used to wind these things up all the way to the back straightaway in third gear before we pull them back into high gear. All of a sudden we realized short shifting, and get it in high gear and then let it eat.
Yeah.
And that's when we figured that. I don't remember who one of the first ones we ever heard is, man, he didn't even run the thing to the first turn in third gear.
Yeah, there were a time you wouldn't even grab high gear till you were about a third of the way down the back straightaway.
I had one time all the way down to the third turn.
All right, let's see what Junior does on his speed lap, his second lap here. 51.88 the first lap, and he gets a full second on his second lap.
Well, what's it going to take tomorrow?
We're going to have to come from the back. It looks like we have to, the way we set our car up and the way I like my car to run in a draft is really, really detrimental to have it how it runs in 1 and 2 lap runs, and without giving away too many secrets. But it just don't run good by itself, but it'll haul butt when it gets in there in a pack of cars, and it'll lead well. So we'll get to the front somehow, some way, and have a good time tomorrow in tomorrow's race. But looks like we're going to have to suffer those consequences today in the qualifying.
Okay, fans, enjoy yourself on Sunday. Junior's going to be passing cars.